How's it going, everybody? Vermont Tool Company. We're back with another Astro. This is the extra long flex head nano socket ratchet wrench made in Taiwan. We got the part number 78318. Let's flip this over. We can see that Astro Tools is etched into this 78318. You can find this on our website at vermonttoolcompany.com. Does have that lifetime warranty. You can see one of our YouTube video shows that this pin does eventually wear out, you know, just from continuing to go like this. So don't worry, you guys. Got that lifetime warranty on the Astro. And this does fit their nano socket, so the sockets fit right into here. It's the newest thing that came out. We got it in 2024, and it's now the #1 selling tool still now in 2025. So this just came in this week. We're expecting some more of the Astros throughout in February of 2025. So make sure to get yours. These are a hot tool, and we do have the 1/4 inch now in stock and are expecting more Astro products soon. We'll see you guys on the website. Peace out.